Hello! It is that great looking man in the back of the room from where you're at right now. What I just showed you was a video that something that interests me about history. This wonderful video right here that you just got done watching. That interests me. Now I want to find out what interests you. It could be something that's happening now. It could be something that's happened a long time ago, from the very beginning of history, or to, which there's no really any beginning of history, but something that interests you. What interests you about history? I want you to answer that in that link below in your Google Classroom. And then, it's your Google Forms, I believe, or Google Docs. Each one has a copy. There's some questions in there I want you to answer. After that, I want you to answer in your own words the best you can to the question, why do we study history? And why is it important? All right, so that is your assignments today. Good luck.